Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you 10 organizing hacks for your small space. Today is the Organization DIY and Decor Challenge. So every season I ask you to share with me a video on a specific topic for the season. Today is organization, so I'm going to leave a playlist down in that description box below. If you did publish a video today for the challenge, make sure to add your video to the playlist. If you're not part of the challenge, make sure to watch everybody's videos. I always get so many fabulous ideas during these challenges from all sorts of amazing YouTubers. Everybody is so talented, so make sure to check everybody out. I wanted to share sort of a roundup of all of my favorite DIY ideas that you can make in your small space to help organize your home. I think something that is really important when you have a smaller space to work with is that you have a place for everything. And that's really gonna help your room feel nice and organized and tidy. Let's get started. So the first hack is to use a narrow shoe cabinet for hallway storage. If you have a smaller entry like we do in our home, these are so fantastic to get your footwear up and off the floor and stored away against the wall. So IKEA has a whole section of these shoe cabinets. I will link to all of their selection down in the description box below. We used to have one to the left of our front door. I actually donated that one. It didn't really work out because of the drapes and things there. And I'm actually working on a hallway makeover, which I was hoping to get done today, and it just didn't happen. I want to make sure it turns out really well, so I'm going to spend some more time on that. But I am using 2 more IKEA shoe cabinets in the hallway there. These are even thinner ones, and they're going to work so well in our hallway because we have quite a narrow space. Organization hack for small spaces number 2 is create a hook wall in an entry or a mudroom to add some more storage to your space to organize all of your jackets, bags, and all of that stuff. So hook walls are a great option if you don't have room for a closet, or if you have lots of kids like I do, or you're a visual organizer like I am. It's a lot easier just to hang up your items rather than put them on hangers or inside a closet door. This is also a great DIY to make. I love doing board and batten style hook walls. I did one in our own home as well as one at a show home from Brookfield Residential. I'm gonna make sure to link to the whole video on how to DIY a board and batten hook wall down in that description box below. Organization DIY idea number 3 is to create a giant framed pegboard in your garage to store all of your tools, cleaning supplies, etc. So I did one of these in another Brookfield Residential show home last year in the garage. I made like a really super cool workbench area with a butcher block countertop, IKEA kitchen cabinets. You could use this sort of area for DIYs, for gardening, for building things, and then over top I framed some pegboard. I just kind of raised it off the wall a little bit, framed it with some trim, painted the trim, added some hooks and things, and it was a great way to store things like brooms, dustpans, even tools, shovels, all of that sort of thing. So I'll make sure to leave the step-by-step instructions on how to build a pegboard wall like this down in that description box below. Small space organization DIY number 4 is try building a dining room bench with some storage inside. So something that works really well for small spaces is to try to make or find dual purpose furniture. So storage inside benches, storage inside side tables. Any place that you can add a little extra storage is really gonna help your small space. So I actually took some IKEA over the fridge kitchen cabinets and I turned them into a dining bench in our breakfast nook. It was a fairly straightforward DIY, quite fun to make. We still use this every single day. So it's a really comfy place to sit in our breakfast nook, but then it has that storage in the bottom front where I put all of my extra things like some servingware, trays, tea party stuff, and extra cutlery and things. I'll make sure to leave a link for that whole DIY down in that description box below. Organization hack number 5 is to create a command station over a desk in your space. So even if you don't have a dedicated home office, you can create a little nook somewhere with a desk and pegboard over top. So again, here's that pegboard. Love it. It's gonna turn up, I promise you, at least one more time in this video. I think it's a great way to not only organize things in your garage, but also to organize things in your home as well. So I took a small strip of pegboard, mounted it very similarly to how I did it in the garage, and then I put up hooks, I put up shelves, I have baskets. So we have our family's binder in there. We have clipboards for lists and artwork. I also even have some jars and baskets for craft supplies. So having things up and off the floor I think is ideal for a small space, and it makes for a great office to have this little pegboard situation. So I'll make sure to link to that full office command center tour down in the description box below. Small space organization hack number 6 is to create a faux window seat in a bedroom with some IKEA Cabinets shelves. So I love these cube storage shelves. I used to call them something else. I can't remember it off the top of my head. They're called the Cabinets line now. I will link to them down in that description box below. So IKEA has all sorts of shapes and sizes of these shelves. So if you want to create a window seat with storage in a bedroom, what you can do is situate one of their longer, shorter shelves underneath a window with 2 of the square ones on either side, and that's going to create a faux window seat. You can put a little bit of an extra piece of wood on top of the window seat in the middle if you want, and that's going to add some stability, and then you can add some cushions. So I did this in my middle daughter's bedroom. Love how it turned out. She is also a visual organizer like myself. She likes that simple visual organization. So when we put baskets in these shelves, that really worked for her and helped her put her clothes away much better. So we have all of her clothes and all of her toys in this faux window seat shelving DIY. Organization DIY hack number 7 is, you guessed it, another DIY with pegboard. This was one of our first pegboard projects that my husband and I did. We did this one together. I don't have a video on it, but I do have a whole blog post on it. I will make sure to link that down in the description box below. But we did build this pegboard wall very similarly to how I did the garage storage wall, and we just put up a giant pegboard in our laundry room. Our laundry room is quite small. I think it's probably about 5 by 10 feet, and that offered a place for me to get everything again up and off the floor. So I found hanging laundry baskets off of Amazon. I put little baskets for other laundry items, as well as a little drying rack that I can pull out and put clothes on, and that helped me organize the space nicely and also give it a little bit more room for me to work and fold clothing in there. I'll make sure to leave a link to our full laundry room tour down in that description box below. And organization hack number 8 is, why not take, again, IKEA kitchen cabinets and use them in a different way in your home to organize. So in another Brookfield residential show home last year, I took a smaller IKEA kitchen cabinet with 4 pull-out drawers, and I turned that into a little recycling station in the back mudroom. So you wouldn't have to do a recycling station. You could use it for clothing, for accessories, and then I also put a butcher block countertop on top, drilled a hole in it, and that was also a great place to put a little charging station for the family. So using kitchen cabinets and hacking them into other ways to organize in your home is a great way to add some more functionality and organization to your space. You don't have to use IKEA cabinets either. You could also look at your local restore or thrift store and see if you could upcycle some older kitchen cabinets into recycling centers or benches or anything like this as well. Small space organization hack number 9 is use those shallow trays that you might find at the dollar store for organizing areas of your home. So I like those small trays. I found mine at Dollar Tree, I believe. I think they're actually for like desk organization or maybe even cutlery, but I've used them in my bathroom in the more shallow drawer in our vanity, and that helped organize some of my toiletries there. You could also use them in your kitchen, your office. There's lots of different places that you can use them to help corral and organize all of your loose items in drawers. And the final organization hack number 10 is try adding a chest of drawers, not outside of a closet in your bedroom, but how about adding it inside? This is going to free up some space in your bedroom, and it's also going to add a spot in the closet to really organize your clothes. So we have more of like a floating drawer system in my littlest daughter's bedroom closet. I love how it's a wonderful way to sort and organize all of her clothing, but it's not outside of her closet. So she still has all the space to play in outside, but inside she has the drawers. I love drawers that pull in and out because everything is tucked away nicely, and also you can use like the Marie Kondo folding method to organize everything almost like file folder style, and you're able to see all your clothing right away. You could even add like a full chest of drawers in the closet or some shelving, and I think that's a great way to save space and organize in your bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed those 10 organization hacks. Let me know down in those comments below which of these was your favorite, or if you have any other ideas on how you could DIY some organization in your home. I would love to hear. Again, make sure to check out the playlist for my organization, DIY, and decor challenge happening today. I can't wait to check out everybody's videos and get some ideas on how to make my home work better and be more functional for my family. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you're going to enjoy next, right up here.